Take the cap. And you're gonna grab your ratchet and your 13mm. Give it a couple taps. Get it nice and loose. You're gonna take the plug off. Set it to the side. We watched a nice stream of dirty oil come out. Looks like I needed this done a while ago. I'll show you. See that stream right there? You know it's almost done. Grab your filter tool. The filter. You should be able to do it by hand, but sometimes tight. Right here for this part, you just kick back your feet up. Watch a little bit of oil. Just make sure you don't get it on your camera like I did. You're gonna grab a little bit of oil, put some in the new filter. Don't overfill it. Rub it around the gasket, make sure it's not dry. Put the new filter back on. Hand tight. It's usually good enough. There you go. Filter installed. Take a look at the old oil. Pretty bad. I got my mini mechanic right here. Ready to go. Gonna take some of the new oil. Drop some of that in there.